Hi, I want to take you in my backyard. We'll take a little walk here. I saw something, and I'm just wondering, what is it? You see these red berries. They look like red berries. And I'm just wondering if you can eat them or are they poisonous? They're all over my yard. They're pretty small. There's some here. Go along here. There's some more here. And here, there's all kinds of them over here. I don't know. If anybody knows what they are, I'd like to know. And they're all over my yard. There's some kind of red berry. Oh, that's what I want to show you. I don't know. You can hear the birds singing. It's so peaceful over here. So peaceful in my yard.